I became a trainer at the age of 14, and it's been 16 years that I've been in this field. My mother was the one who pushed me I wouldn't have become what I am without her support. I think being independent is very, very important, because when I started at the age of 14, okay, so I'm Zunaira, and I'm a fitness trainer. I have 2 boys, and I became a trainer at the age of 14, and it's been 16 years that I've been in this field. To be very honest, my mother was very fond of exercise, and she was the one who took me to the gym for the first time when I was only, I think, 7 or 8 years old. And she has always, emphasized on the importance of working out and exercise and being active and being physically fit. So I owe it to my mother, because it was her passion first before it became my passion. And I just started going for workouts with her, and then there was no stopping me. At the age of 14, I got an offer from the gym to become a trainer. Then I started conducting classes. I became an instructor. From a substitute instructor, I went on opening up my own gym at my house. And then right now I'm doing on-ground 35-day challenges, morning, evening, a range of different other classes also. My mother was the one who pushed me I wouldn't have become what I am without her support, because obviously at the age of 14, you're not even that confident. Taking a class of so many girls standing behind you was not easy. So she was the one who pushed me and encouraged me that yes, and made me believe in myself above everything, that yes, I'm capable and I can do it. So family support, and then even after getting married, my husband, my in-laws, they were very supportive. I continued taking my classes even in pregnancy. In both my pregnancies, I was taking my classes. So Alhamdulillah, I've been blessed in that manner. I think being independent is very, very important, because when I started at the age of 14, getting paid at the end of the month was a big attraction for me, because apart from my pocket money, I was getting the extra money also. And when you're going out with friends and you're dining out, so it's uska alag hi charm hota hai. Right now, what motivates me more than being financially independent, yes, that's an added thing, and that's a very, very important factor. But more than that, I think when I feel myself making a change in other people's life, and my clients walk up to me and say how I've improved, how I've played a part in improving their health, how they've become more functional, it is all worth it at the end of the day then, because that satisfaction that you get is just amazing. Well, the message that I want to give to the women of Pakistan is that because of this pandemic, we're all going through so much, and apart from our physical health, our mental health is also suffering. So we should all be taking care of that, and that 1 hour in the gym, or that 1 hour when you're involved in any physical activity, I think that is very important, because that improves your mental health. That is your time, and once you focus on your own well-being, that's when you'll be able to better perform at the house also, with your kids, with your husband, with your family. So we should all be striving towards one united goal: a healthier body, a healthier mind, and by extension, a healthier life. To all the women out there who are striving for a better Pakistan, I would like to tell them कि ये वतन तुम्हारा है.